Hi guys, it's Kate Somerville here, and I'm here to tell you about Liquid ExfoliKate. This is a nighttime exfoliant that really helps to reduce pore size, helps with skin texture, and brightens the skin. So I created Liquid ExfoliKate for those of you that have sensitive skin or want to exfoliate on a daily basis. The key ingredients to Liquid ExfoliKate is a triple blend of AHAs, lactic, glycolic, and a little bit of malic acid, and it also has those magic 3 Ps, papaya, pineapple, and pumpkin enzymes to dissolve that dead skin gently. You can actually use this on a nightly basis, and it's so gentle. If you have sensitive skin, it's perfect for you. So how to use Liquid ExfoliKate is so simple. You apply it to the cotton pad, pat it over the skin, and you leave this on. I love it at night because I put my moisturizer on top, go to bed, and I wake up with gorgeous dewy skin. So 100% of people just in one use saw a reduction in pore size. So if you're someone that's battling skin texture and enlarged pores, this is the product for you.